What do buyers look for when touring a home? Space Coast seller tips that help homes sell faster. Hi, I'm Margaret, your favorite Space Coast realtor, and today we're going to discuss one of the most common questions home sellers search online. What do buyers actually notice when they walk through a home for a showing? Many sellers spend weeks worrying about things like paint colors or whether their couches matches the decor. But the truth is, buyers often focus on completely different set of things when they tour a home. Stay with me until the end because I'm going to share the first thing most buyers notice within the first 10 seconds of walking into a house. And it's something sellers can fix surprisingly easy. If you're thinking about selling your home on the Florida Space Coast and want to know what buyers in Brevard County, including Titusville, Merritt Island, Cocoa, Melbourne, or Viera, are really looking for right now, feel free to call me or text me anytime, 321-480-7662. You can also explore homes buyers are currently looking at here on my website, margaretsellsdreamhomes.com. Buyers decide quickly. One of the biggest surprises for sellers is how quickly buyers form an opinion about a home. Most buyers know within the first few minutes if the home feels right. This doesn't mean they're judging every tiny detail, but they're certainly noticing overall things, like how bright the home feels, how spacious the rooms appear, whether the home feels clean and well cared for, whether the layout flows well. Homes that feel welcoming tend to create an emotional connection with buyers, and an emotional connection often leads to offers. That's why presentation is so important when selling a home on the Space Coast real estate market. As your favorite Space Coast realtor, my goal is to always help sellers present their homes in a way that makes buyers immediately feel comfortable. If you ever want advice on preparing your home before listing, you can always call or text me at 321-480-7662. Clean and clutter-free wins every time. One of the simplest ways to make a home more appealing to buyers is also one of the easiest: decluttering and deep cleaning. Buyers touring homes tend to notice when spaces feel open and easy to move through. Simple steps like these can help. Clearing off countertops, organizing closets, removing excess furniture, putting away personal items, letting natural light in. These changes help buyers picture themselves living in the home rather than feeling like they're visiting somebody else's space. Kitchens and bathrooms still matter. Even though buyers look at the whole house, kitchens and bathrooms still tend to get extra attention. The good news is that small updates can make a big difference. Things like updating lighting, fresh caulking, clean grout, modern cabinet hardware can help these spaces feel newer without a full renovation. When selling your home in Brevard County, these small improvements can make a big impact on how buyers perceive the property. Storage space is a big deal. Another thing buyers often check during showings is storage. They open closets, they look in the pantry, they peek in the garage. If these spaces feel organized and spacious, it gives buyers confidence that the home will work for their lifestyle. Sometimes simply organizing these areas can make them feel much larger. Buyers also pay attention to maintenance. Even though buyers may fall in love with the layout or the location, they also notice signs of maintenance. Things like dripping faucets, damaged screens, worn paint, squeaky doors can signal to a buyer that the home might need more work than expected. Addressing small maintenance items before listing can help your home show much better. If you're wondering what buyers in the Space Coast real estate market are currently looking for, I'm always happy to share insights. Margaret Klein, your favorite Space Coast realtor. Call or text me at 321-480-7662. Or check out my website at margaretsellsdreamhomes.com. And if you're enjoying touring homes from the couch, check out my home walkthroughs here on YouTube channel, Dream Homes, Space Coast, Florida. The first thing buyers notice, remember that hook I mentioned earlier? The first thing most buyers notice when they walk into a home is surprisingly simple. It's how the home feels. If the home feels bright, open, and welcoming, buyers immediately start imagining themselves living there. If it feels dark, cluttered, or cramped, it can be harder for them to picture their future in the space. That's why small steps like decluttering, improving lighting, and creating an inviting atmosphere can make such a big difference when selling your home. Thinking about selling your home? If you're considering selling your home anywhere on the Florida Space Coast, I would love to help you prepare your home and create a marketing strategy that attracts serious buyers. Feel free to call or text anytime. Margaret Klein, your favorite Space Coast realtor, 321-480-7662. Check out my website at margaretsellsdreamhomes.com. Email me at margaret.klein@exprealty. Because when it comes to selling homes on the Space Coast, your favorite Space Coast realtor is always ready to help you make your next move. Margaret Klein signing off. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and you have an amazing day.